Honda Cadets, the only class that you'll see today which will have steady starts. Great to see so many Honda Cadets. Haydn Eldridge on pole position in 51 and Spencer Brothman in the 11. Side on the front row. All ready to go then here in Heat 3 for Honda Cadets. The lights go out and away we go. Good start for the poles. It's a very good start for Spencer Brothman as he's gone into the lead straight away in the number 11. He's already looking to pull away. Drivers going defensive on the inside. Oh, there's a bit of contact there between the 73 and I think it was the 24, Alfie Thompson there in the 24. But they've all managed to get through that first couple of corners. Drivers coming onto the back straight and they've all come through the first lap almost. Through the boot though, as the move's being done there for second and third place. Coming through the field now. You see them as they're confirmed at the end of the first lap, the order in your top 10. Spencer Brothman has got into the lead. Rylan ECHBERG is up into second place. Haydn Eldridge from pole position is now third. Josh AGAMBAR fourth. Sonny Smith fifth. Alfie Thompson sixth. Ben RAEBURN seventh. Callum GHOSH in 8th, Mitchell Gibbons up to 9th, and Brooke Lees wrapping out the top 10. Move being done there by the number 6, that's Sonny Smith making his way past Josh AGAMBAR. It's 4th place now for the driver number 6, now challenging Haydn Eldridge. Going past Eldridge as well, so that's a good move from Sonny Smith on the move here. He's had a fairly quiet day so far, but has been making good progress. Here he is again. Now, can he focus on ECHBERG and Brothman as well in first and second place? Up the hill to Christmas Corner. Honda Cadets forming into a 5-car battle now at the front of this field. Spencer still there in the lead in number 11. ECHBERG just behind second place. And ECHBERG going for the move as well on the inside. Great move there by ECHBERG. It takes the lead. Sonny Smith is going to follow through as well. And oh my goodness me, this is what Honda Cadet does to you sometimes. Spencer Brothman has just fallen from the lead, I think all the way down to 6th place in a matter of 3 or 4 corners. Sonny Smith has now taken the lead as well, so Sonny Smith now leads here in Honda Cadet ahead of Rylan ECHBERG. Haydn Eldridge is up to 3rd. Mitchell Gibbons, the ever impressive Gibbons, is up to 4th place now. You see him there in the black cars and white helmets going up the inside for 3rd place. It takes 3rd place away from Haydn Eldridge. Once again, Mitchell Gibbons is on the move. Simmons also just made a move down for 6th place. Simmons running very well in terms of pace in 2. Business again. There's the 23 of Simmons now drafting past the number 51 of Haydn Eldridge. So Eldridge going backwards a little bit on this particular lap. AGAMBAR there in the 18 black and orange overalls. Josh AGAMBAR going defensive into turn 1. Sonny Smith's lead is now 0.5 of a second ahead of Rylan ECHBERG. I think I just saw Mitchell Gibbons going for second place as through goes Ethian Symonds past Josh AGAMBAR for 4th place. Yes indeed, Gibbons there, he is the number 81, is past Rylan ECHBERG yet again. So really good stuff. Mitchell Gibbons again with a overtake. Taylor Butler has got a track limit warning at number 42. Sonny Smith still leads this one. 2 minutes 20 plus 1 lap to go. Cross start finish. Lap times very, very even between the top two. Both of the 54.8s at this stage of the race. Let's have a look for who else is on Ben RAEBURN is going to Reece LOMAX, who we saw big points in E2 as well. He's also to the top 10. It's going for another move. Reece LOMAX to Hines taking that for 9th place. 62. Josh 18th place, battling Morgan Hill. Just to get in the top 10 of the points. A couple of moves going on, confirmed on time. Reece LOMAX overtaking Ben RAEBURN for 9th place. Move being done there by the number 29, Jack Hobson. Jack Hobson coming to the fore now. He's got past Josh AGAMBAR for 5th place. Less than a minute plus 1 lap on this third heat out of 4 for the Honda Cadets. Leader is still Sonny Smith, but Mitchell Gibbons is putting him under pressure now. He's just set the fastest sector 1 and the fastest sector 2, and he might be about to set the fastest sector 3 as well, because Mitchell Gibbons is right on the tail end of Sonny Smith now. And yes indeed, Mitchell Gibbons does set the fastest lap of the race so far, 54.01. Mitchell Gibbons is coming up the hill now. He's going to move for the lead. He's going to take the lead, surely. Really good stuff yet again from Mitchell Gibbons, but Sonny Smith will fight back. He will not give this up. Can he get it down into Ashby Corner? Gibbons goes defensive, but yes, Mitchell Gibbons takes the lead again. Can he make it a trio of wins here in Honda Cadet? But no, Sonny Smith back down the inside. Brilliant. Sonny Smith retakes the lead away from Mitchell Gibbons. Now, here's the matter in Honda Cadet. You often see when they start fighting, they lose a lot of pace. Ethian Symonds will want these two to keep fighting. And once again, Mitchell Gibbons is back on the inside now, so the lead has changed at least twice on that lap. This is the final lap, but look at Ethian Symonds. Ethian Symonds is coming like a train. He's just taken a second out of these two on the last lap as they've been fighting, and could sneak in right at the end here. Gibbons goes defensive into Christmas. Sonny Smith still side by side, switches back, tries to get the undercut. Will now try and get the undercut into Ashby. It's not there, but look at Ethian Symonds. He's coming. There he is. He's less than 4 kart lengths into the lead. It's changed again. Sonny Smith out of Ashby has retaken the lead. Onto the back straight then. Sonny Smith has a little check over the shoulder. Can he hold off Mitchell Gibbons? Ethian Symonds, can he get involved? Can he take second place or even more away? But no, I think Sonny Smith is going to take this. He's going to come round the corner. What a drive from these three. Sonny Smith takes the win in Honda Cadet. Mitchell Gibbons, oh look at the gap. It's less than a tenth of a second over the line. I thought Gibbons might just take it at the end there, but no. Sonny Smith takes the win. Mitchell Gibbons is second. Ethian Symonds probably went, oh, I needed one more lap there. And in the end, it's third for him. Jack Hobson, impressive, in 4th place. Rylan ECHBERG, good finish again, in 5th place. Josh AGAMBAR, good points for him in 6th.